Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 14.3. You can see here 14.3 of factorization. Question number 1. Carry out the following division. So here one first part of question number 1 is 28 x power 4 divisible by 56 x. So we have learned to how to add and subtract algebraic expression. We also know how to multiply two expressions. We have not, however, looked at division of one algebraic expression by another. This is what we wish to do in this section. So first, we factorize each expression. After this cancelled and the common factors, then we obtain quotient. Okay, so let's see how to solve such type questions. Okay, so first we learn division of monomial by another monomials. Okay, let's see. This is the first part of question number 1. Okay, first we divide it. So first we write 20x power 4 as a product of irreducible factors. So we can write it 2 into 2 into 7, 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28 into x. You can write it x into x into x into x. Okay, and 56 we can write 56 as a product of irreducible factor. This is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, 8 7 ja 56, 2 into 2 into 2, this becomes 8 7 ja 56 into x. Okay, so you can see here what is common between them. This is common. 4 2 into 2 into x is common, so we cancel. Into 7 also common. These terms, then we obtain our required results. Okay, so let's say first you can write 28x power 4, this equation divide by 56x, like as it is 28x power 4 by 56x. Okay, after this we write it's a product of irreducible form. So here products of irreducible form of 20x power 4 is 2 into 2 into x into x into x into x divide by, this is a 56x. So what is the reducible form of product of reducible form of 56? So it become, we explain here above, 8 7 ja 56, factor of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. Okay, so first we write like this. After this, what is a common factor between them? You cancel it. So here you can see this 2 is cancelled by this 2, this 2 is cancelled by this 2, and this x, and this 7, here 1 7 left because this is 28, so you can write here, okay, into 7, clear. So this 7 is cancelled by this, okay, and this x is cancelled by this. So in this way we obtained that what we obtained, we cancelled 7 2 2, yes, 2 2 into 7 we cancelled, and 1x also cancelled. We obtained here x into x into x by 2, x into x into x by 2, okay. So you can write it x 3x x into x into x, so you can write this x power 3 by 2, okay. This is your required result. This is your required results. Let's see again it one times more. So you can see here, this is a given question. 28x power 4 divided by 56x. So first we write product 28x power 4 as a product of irreducible form. You can see here 2 into 2 into 7, x into x into x into x, and after this we write 56 as a product of reducible form. So we obtain 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x, okay. Now we can write 58x power 4 by divided by 56x. So we can write like this, clear. After this we write it as a product of irreducible form. You can see here, you can see 2 into 2 into 7 into x are common, so we cancel this and we obtained x into x by 2. In this way we find our required result, x power 3 by 2, okay. Now we are going to solve second part of this question number 1, clear. In second part you can see here, this is given wait 1 minute please. You can see here, this is second part of question number 1, minus 36y cube divided by 9y square, okay. So first we write like this in this form, 6y power 3, after this 9y square, clear. And now you can write and the of this minus 36 as a product of irreducible factors. So you know 9 4 ja 36, you can write here minus 1 into 36 becomes 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, So 36 becomes 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and y cube you can write y into y into y, okay, 3 times, and after this divide by 9y square. You can write 9y square in the product of irreducible factor. It's become 9 become 3 into 3. After this we can't reduce this 9, and y square is y into y. So you can see here what is the common factor between them. Tell me. We first obtain common factor and cancel them, and we obtain the required result. Okay, so in both you can see 3 into 3 y into y are common. Okay, so first we cancel it. First we cancel it, and then we find the required result. First you can see this is a given minus 36 y cube divided by 9 y square. So we can write this is in a vertical form. Question is given in horizontal form. We can write it vertical form, and after this we write it the product of irreducible factors. So student, I hope all of you understood, and you find what is the common factor between them, and you can find the required result. What is the quotient of this question? So let's see. You can see a 3 into 3 is common here, and 3 into 3 is also common here. Y into y is cancelled. You can do like this, and what you have after this, we see minus 1 into 2 into 2 into y. Okay, you have this only, so you can write it like 2 to the 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 into y, or you can say this is your answer, minus 4 y. Okay student, let's see, this is your complete solution. I hope all of you enjoy it. Okay, so now after this we are going to solve next question, third part. Third part is given here, 66 p q square r power 3 divided by 11 q squares. Okay, so I hope you can see here, this is third part. 66 p q square r power 3 minus divided by 11 q r square. So first we write 63 q square r power 3 as a product of irreducible factor, and also we write 11 q square 11 q r square as a product of irreducible factors, and we observe what is the common between them, and common part we will cancel, then we obtained uh, the required result. You can say quotient. Clear? So let's see how to solve it. So student, you can see here, this is your third part of question number 1. So we can write it like this. This is a, you can say, horizontal division. Okay, so simply you can write like this: 66 p q square r power 3 divide by 11 q r square, and we can also write it as a product of irreducible factors. So student, what is the product of irreducible factor of this expression and this expression? I hope all of you know. We can write 66 11 into 6. So 11 is reducible. 11 is not reducible and 6 is reducible. Okay, so we write irreducible product. Okay, we write it's a product of irreducible factors. So we can write it 2 into 3 into 11 q square r power 3, so into p. What the power of q? Tell me. 2. So we write it 2 times. Q into q. Q into q. Clear? And into what is the power of r? 3. So we write it 3 times. R into r into r. Divide by 11. 11 is a prime number, so it can't reduce. So you can write it 11 into q is power 1, so you write 1 times, r power 2. So we write it 2 times, r into r. So student, you can see here what is the common factor between them. Tell me, what is the common between them? So I hope all of you say 11 q r into r is the common between them. Oh no, I know all of you say think like that 11 is common, q is common, and r into r is common. They are cancelled, and then our required results becomes 2 into 3 into p into q into r. Okay, so very nice, you are so smart. So let's see our required result becomes, we obtain 2 into 3 and p into p into q into r. Okay, so this is our required result. Here you can cancel 11 by 11, 1 cube by another cube. How many hours? 2 hours. 2 hours. You can cancel here. Then we obtain 2 into 3 into p into r into q, and this is your result, required result. 2 to the 6 pqr, 6 p qpr, or also you can write it 6 pqr is your required result. Clear? Now after this student, I hope all understood. Now we are going to fourth part, solve fourth part. Student, you can say this is your question number uh, of, fourth part of 1. So you can see here, okay, and this is also you can see in question, this is 34 x power 3 y power 3 z power 3 divisible by now 51 x y square z power 3. Okay, so also you can break write as common factors. The first student, you can see this is your given question. So first let's see how to solve it. Okay, so first you can write it like this, and 34 x power 3 y power 3 and z power 3 divided by 51 x y square and z power 3. This is given. Okay, so break it as a common factors, and that we will cancel it. Okay, so or you can say as a irreducible form, whatever. So first we write 34 like this, 17 2 ja, okay, and x cube we can write x cube x into x square, because you can see here x cube, and here you can break it x power 1 into x power 2, this becomes x power 3. Clear? And now after this y power 3, so we also do it, because here y power 2, so we break y power 3 as a y power 2 into y power 1. Here x power 1, so we break x power 3 as a x into x power 2. So this is easily cancelled. So we write like this, y power 3 you can write y into y square. Okay, you can write also it y into y is called, this is y power 3, and we write, we not break the z power 3, because you can see here z power 3 is also available, so this is it becomes cancelled. Okay, after this 51 we can write 51 17 3 ja 51, both are prime numbers. Okay, and x into y power 2 into and z power 3. So you can see z power 3 cancelled, y square is also cancelled. Okay, x is here x, and this is x, cancelled, and this is 17. So you see common factor between them. After this you can do cancel it, and the remaining part of this calculation is the becomes your required results. So you can see 17 cancel here, x also cancelled, y square is cancelled, and z power 3 also cancelled. So what is your required result here? So you can see next step, we after here 2 into x power 2 into y. Clear? So you can write here 2 x power 2 into y divide by 3. Student, so this is your whole solution. You can see. Student, first given expression, usual expression. First we break it. Irreducible form, product of irreducible form. After this we notice what is the common factor between them, and we leave the common factor, and the remaining part of the calculation is your required solution. This is your quotient. Okay, now let's see the student. I hope all of you understood this, and let's see next part of this question, part 5th. Here you can see this is part 5th of this question. 12 a power 8 b power 8 divided by minus 6 a power 6 b power 4. Okay, so first we write in the product of irreducible factors. After this we check what is the common factor between them, and we cancel the common factors. Then we obtain the required results. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Student, you can see here this is your question number 5th. This is a question number 5th part of the question number 1. Okay, so first we write it like that: 12 a power 8 b power 8 divided by minus 6 a power 6 into b power 4. Okay, after this we write it the product of irreducible factors. So here this is 6, so we break 12 as a 2 into 6, so 6 will cancel. So you can write here 2 into 6. Here you can see a power 8 and here a power 6. So we break this a power 8 as a power 2 and into a power 6. In this way we obtain common factor easily. So here we can write a power 8 is a power 2 into a power 6. After this you can see here b power 8, so here b power 4. So into you can break it b power 4 into b power 4, b power 4 into b power 4. Student, I hope all of you have studied in previous classes law and exponents and law, exponent and power. In this chapters we know a power m into a power n. If base are same, the power will be 8. So here also we break it a power 2 a power 6, both base are same, so power will be 8. So power is 2 plus 6 is 8. So here a power 8, here this is also a power 8, and here b power 8. So we break it b power 4 into b power 4 according to that law, a power m plus m, a power m into a power m n. Okay, if the base are same, in the case of multiplication, so power will be added. Okay, so we can write b power 8 is b power 4 into b power 4. Okay, also here we can write minus 6 into minus 1 into 6. Okay, a power 6 we can write it is because you can see here a power 6 is and a power 6 will be cancelled, and b into b power 4 we can write as it is, because you can see in numerators also available b power 4. So I hope student all of you observe what is the common factor between them, and you are also cancel it. So you can see here b first 6 is cancelled, a power 6 is cancelled, b power 4 is also cancelled here. Okay. So what is your required result? 6 is cancelled, a power 6 is also cancelled, b power 4 is also cancelled. Okay. So what is your required result? You have to use 2 into a power 2 b power 4 into a power 2 into b power 4 divide by -1, or you can write it -2 a power 2 b power 4. This is clear? Student, I hope all of you understood. This is your whole solution, you can see. And thank you for watching. Jai Hind.